Hey, hello my dear friends. Welcome to our science class and I am your science teacher Gayatri Ranalkar from Oxford English Medium School, 8th standard. Today we are going to discuss about reproduction in plants. You know very well the characteristics of living things, that all living things can reproduce to continue their life on the earth. So, last year you have already seen that all the living things with plants and animals are reproduces to continue their life on the earth. So, last year in your 7th standard you have already learned about the reproduction in plants. Now this year we are going to discussing about reproduction in animals. So, basically there are two main methods of reproduction in animals as well as plants. Last year we have already discussed that are, first one is asexual reproduction, and second method is sexual reproduction. Now, according to the name, you have an idea. Asexual. A means no. Means here no sex cells are needed for the production of new organism. Means only a single parent. A single parent can produce a new organism. That process in which new organisms are produced by a single parent, either by division or by spore formation or by budding. We are going to see the processes which are done in this type of reproduction. Means only a single cell can produce two new cells. While in sexual reproduction, two parent cells are needed, that are male cells, we call them as sperms, and female cells, we call them as ova. We also call them as the gametes, male gametes and female gametes. Means sexual reproduction is nothing but it is the fusion of male sex cells, means sperm, with female sex cells, ova. You can write down in this manner: sperms plus ova gives rise to a single cell zygote which can be grown into new organisms. Those are nothing but those are your parent cells. Means you can give the definition of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is nothing but it is the fusion of parent cells to form a single zygote, single cell zygote, which can further grow into a new organism. Now one by one we are going to discuss briefly asexual reproduction. Here single parent can give rise or can be produced a new organism. There are two modes of reproduction occur. First is binary fusion, and here second is budding. Binary fusion. The best example of binary fusion is amoeba. You all have already know that amoeba is a single-celled animal, unicellular animal. and rise to new two cells by the process of binary fission. Can be asked in this manner. Amoeba, this is single cell amoeba. It has its nucleus. This single cell of amoeba is divided into two single cell new organism cells. The process of binary fission done as follows. See, one contraction is there in the cell of amoeba. Then this contraction becomes nearer. And these two cells are separated from each other. And in this way, one parent amoeba produces two new amoeba cells. This is a parent cell, which is a single, means in binary fission, single cell can be divided into two new cells. That is nothing but it is a binary fission. Then next method of asexual reproduction is budding. We will see this method in our next lecture. Okay then, bye. Have a nice day.